Holy crack-amungus! I'm Zach Scott, and this is my YouTube channel. Anyway, what you should do is subscribe, and in return, what I will do is just dedicate just stupid amounts of my own free time to doing this YouTube thing for not a lot of really reward, except for personal growth. I like to teach people stuff. If you want to know how I did a particular shot or visual effect, I will do my damnedest to try and get a tutorial up for you as fast as I can. I know not many people watch them compared to my other things, but I like to think that they're kind of fun. I wish I had a person like me to tell me how to do things back when I was the younger version of me. Man, that guy was weird. Anyway, this is my apartment. This is my cane. I walk with a cane sometimes. It makes a great prop. Dumb hillbilly. That's me. I'm a dumb hillbilly. But you know what? You can still get shit done. I don't know. I just want to be a good person. So I'll try to just keep things coming for you. I'll put out tutorials. I'll show you guys what I'm working on, even if it's kind of crap. And, you know, you can see where I screwed up and not do that. I'm a nice guy. At least I like to think I am. And, you know, you should subscribe to a nice guy's YouTube channel, because that'd be the nice thing to do. That's really manipulative, but it's also kind of funny. Blah 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 blah.